Hi friends! Today we are taking a fun airport journey together. Let's practice English while traveling. The terminal is busy. The terminal is busy. I am pushing my luggage cart. I am pushing my luggage cart. I check the departure board. I check the departure board. I am approaching the check-in counter. I am approaching the check-in counter. I am handing my passport. I am handing my passport. The luggage belt is rolling. The luggage belt is rolling. I am tagging my checked bag. I am tagging my checked bag. I receive my boarding pass. I receive my boarding pass. I am organizing my carry-on essentials carefully. I am organizing my carry-on essentials carefully. I am heading toward the security checkpoint. I am heading toward the security checkpoint. I am removing my laptop. I am removing my laptop. I am placing my tray on the belt. I am placing my tray on the belt. I am stepping into the body scanner. I am stepping into the body scanner. I am collecting my belongings. I am collecting my belongings. This is my boarding pass. This is my boarding pass. I am browsing the duty-free shop confidently. I am browsing the duty-free shop confidently. I am comparing prices before deciding. I am comparing prices before deciding. I am ordering an iced coffee. I am ordering an iced coffee. I notice my gate number. I notice my gate number. I am sitting at the gate seating area. I am sitting at the gate seating area. I hear the boarding announcement. I hear the boarding announcement. I am confirming my seat number carefully. I am confirming my seat number carefully. These are my travel essentials. These are my travel essentials. I am scanning my boarding pass. I am scanning my boarding pass. I find my seat. I find my seat. I close the overhead bin. I close the overhead bin. I am fastening my seatbelt. I am fastening my seatbelt. The view is beautiful. The view is beautiful. I am preparing for landing. I am preparing for landing. I am excited about my trip. I am excited about my trip. Thank you for traveling with Lily today. See you in the next video.